This is DC Danton Crow Crusader, and look who's on the field. Stanley's on the field. Look at this little guy waiting. Hello. So nice. Okay, I'm going to throw down. He got scared because I pointed the camera toward him. They don't like that. But I wanted to make sure we got our little Stanley in here. And look at that. Look at that little Stanley. Look at our Stanley. AKA Barney. That will make a certain subscriber very happy. Uh-oh. There they go. There go the birds. I don't know what frightened them. I have no idea. But Stanley may fly away too. We'll have to see. Anyway, we'll go down, put down the food, and then the birds will be very happy. We'll start with the field today. By the way, today is the 26th. Oh my goodness, I forgot the sunflower seeds. I'll have to go home and get them. Our little sparrows are waiting for that. So, what we'll do is I'll put a couple handfuls here. Take this over to the little spot, and we'll put a couple of handfuls of seed over there. I actually put the bag in here, I had extra, and forgot to take another bag. But we'll just scoop it out here a little bit to hold them over. There we go. There's also a little seed in there too. There'll be some little bread left in there. Kind of a mix. Okay. The little Tweety birds won't mind, or little sparrows, because they love to have a little bread in there. Tiny bit. And there's mixed seed and nuts in there. So it's probably a special treat for them today. Okay, so we'll go out on the field here today. I'm afraid the crows went to it. We'll stay away from Stanley. I'll have to get something here at the store, maybe. We'll stay right here. There's our Stanley Luck. I mean, a Seymour. Seymour and friend. And our little crows all together up on the ramp. Okay. And our little gray heron, our Stanley. Okay, let's put this here. Fair amount of cat food. Just trying to feed Millie all night. Not much success, but put this over here so we don't get in the way. Okay, I'll put this out here. All right. There we go. Okay, guys, you come next. You come next. Get your eggs, Seymour. Get your eggs. There he goes. Hope everyone had a very nice Christmas yesterday. Uh-oh. I don't know what happened over there. There are a lot of crows over there for some reason. Oh, look at the pigeons coming over there. Look at that. There are a lot more birds here today than yesterday. Look at that. Okay, let's put down our... It almost looks like someone threw something down there. I have no idea. But they found something on the street. But we'll have to go home and get those sunflower seeds. And otherwise there'll be nothing left for the little sparrows. Looks like they, well, there's still grain left there. So, yeah, the pigeons are out. These are from the pigeon handler. And I'll have to go home and get that sunflower seed. That's because I put a bag in here and then bring an extra bag for the sparrows. So, well, I am a bit tired tonight. So that is true. We'll have to see. Here we got our little peanuts here. There we go. Here we have the white car again. Okay, got you in video. Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas, you idiot! Right? Well, how should I say? It's the second day of Christmas here, but you wouldn't know it, would you? The idiots are out already, and that's it. It's very bad. So we'll get out here, put these down here, our little peanuts. They say we'll have to run home and get those sunflower seeds. Okay. I'm afraid those pigeons are gonna finish off all the sunflower seeds. So, yeah. Well, what are you gonna do? Okay, I have a little guy waiting here. I think he wants his cashews. Oh, here we go. Here you go, honey. I'm going to turn around so the crows, who are a little bit frightened of me, will get in there and get those cashews. So, all right. Here's the one with the little bat feather. Come on, guy. Get in there and get something. There we go. Crows are getting more clever. Okay. Now, I don't think that's the same white car that was here before. that were stalking the parking lot, because the men looked different that were standing in the parking lot that came from that white SUV, BMW. It was a different guy. This was a different car, different guy. Look, they ate all that grain up. Oh, poor babies. Poor little sparrows. So, I'm going to end this video. I'm going to go home and I'm going to get those sunflower seeds for our little sparrows. So, okay, this is DC Danton, Crow Crusader, wishing you a great Tuesday, the second day of Christmas here in Europe, the 26th of December, and hope you all had a wonderful Christmas yesterday. Wasn't so great for me. Millie had a major seizure, so he's not doing so well today, and I'll debate whether or not he's strong enough to go to the vet. I have an appointment on Thursday anyway.